Breakfast, lunch, and dinner cooking. We are going to be taking my salmon that I made yesterday, and I'm going to show you how to make salmon patties out of it. And we're also going to take yellow squash and a cucumber, and I'm going to show you what I'm going to do with that too. So we're going to make a really nice meal. So here we go. Okay, first thing we're going to do is start heating up my pans. We're going to take this salmon, and I'm going to just start breaking it up. This is a really good thing to do with leftover salmon. Just bust it all up into little shreds. And hopefully there won't be any bones because this was a filet. So there's my salmon. Let me rinse my hand real quick. Then I'm going to take a couple eggs. And then I'm going to take about, I don't know, a half a teaspoon of Old Bay spice. And then some soda crackers. And I'm going to mix the salmon with the eggs up first. Salmon patties are so good. And what I usually serve them with is either ketchup or cocktail sauce. Really smash it up so it gets kind of fine. And then you're going to take just soda crackers and crunch them up as fine as you can. That was probably, I don't know, 10 crackers. And then just mix that up until you can make it into a patty. That looks good. And basically, the salmon's already cooked. And you can do this with canned salmon too. But you've just got to clean all the skin and everything off of it. Okay, I think we just about got it. Those crackers absorb the egg and... Okay, so I'm going to take some olive oil. Put it in my pan here. You need kind of a lot of oil for these salmon patties. Move that out of the way. Then you just take your salmon patties and form them into a nice little patty and put them in the oil. And you just cook that. Oh my gosh, I did have a little bone. How about that? I ate the other one yesterday for dinner and there was no bones, unless I swallowed it. So this little piece of salmon is going to get me 4 nice salmon patties. Turn this down just a little. Okay. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut some butter here. And I'm going to take my squash here, get the 2 ends off of it. This yellow squash is so good. And you just use the slicer side. I'm actually going to turn that over. You just use the slicer side of your thing there so it's nice thin slices. This is so healthy for you, and this is such a quick and easy dinner. And your kids will like it. My kids liked this dinner. And then I'm going to put that in my butter here. Like so. And I'm just going to put salt and pepper for now. Salt and pepper. And then I'm going to rinse this off. I'm going to grab an onion. Get out my vinegar. Check my patties here real quick. Make sure I'm not burning them. Oh, they're perfect. Okay, turn those down a little bit. Then what you're going to do, take your cucumber, and I'm going to use the same side of the slicer as I did with the other one. And I'm going to get nice thin slices with this too. Better turn those. You just want to like lightly brown this squash with butter. Butter, salt, and pepper. Okay. We're going to take our cucumber on the side. You can get these slicer things at Walmart. They're like $6 or something like that. But be careful. Then put the cucumber, ooh, you don't break the bowl. Put the cucumber in your bowl. And then you want to take a piece of onion, not a lot. I made this cucumber salad for my kids their whole life, and they loved it. And cucumber salad is a really good thing. Oh, you can't see me doing it, I'm sorry. Whoops. Take the onion and you shred it on the side. I shredded this cucumber on the side just like I did the squash. Then you take the onion. It was probably a third of an onion and one of those herbless cucumbers. And you just take like equal parts olive oil. I'm doing about a 1/4 cup. And vinegar. Just equal parts, oil and vinegar. And salt and pepper. Put that on there. You want to do that a little bit ahead of time. And then you just stir that around. Salt. Pepper it again. And you got yourself an easy peasy cucumber salad. Just like that. Move all this stuff out of the way. Put my olive oil my mess. Okay, I'm going to put the salmon patties on a paper towel. They're looking perfect. Shut that off. Oops. Okay, take that off the hot stove. Okay, and then I'm going to put you back with my squash here. And you want to see how it's getting nice and brown from the butter. Almost done. Just about there. I'm going to get out my Parmesan cheese. And what you want to do doesn't that look good? For you people that grow this in your gardens, I'm telling you, just butter, salt, and pepper, and then some Parmesan cheese. And it is so yummy. Okay. I'm going to get my plate out. Look at that. I'm going to see if you can see me dishing this up. I'm going to take the squash here, with the cheese on it. Oh my gosh, you guys wouldn't believe how good that is. For you people with gardens. And then my cucumber salad. Easy peasy. And look at this beautiful, quick, and easy meal from a leftover piece of salmon and one little squash and a cucumber and onion. I gotta fix that thing. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. That was just a quick and easy dinner, and I thought I'd share it with you. And remember, there's nothing you can't do if you put your mind to it. And love the Lord with all your heart. And thank you so much for watching. And remember to subscribe. Bye now.